So in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, which is usually done by an individual, that's a situation in which the individual is facing debts that they just can't pay. What they agree to do is give up some property, and a lot of our clients don't actually give up any property because they don't have a whole lot of property. And then that property is used to pay creditors to the extent that's possible. The example that I often give is that in a Chapter 7, you agree to give up a $20,000 watch if you have it. If you don't have the watch, you obviously can't give it up, but it's your promise to disclose whether you have that watch and then to give it up if you have it, that is part of your deal in Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is essentially a snapshot of the person's situation on the date they file. There are some income restrictions, but those restrictions don't apply where the debt is business related. What I often tell people is that in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a snapshot of the person's situation on the day they file. And if they get a call from the Jaguars the next day to come play and get paid $5 million, that $5 million is there to keep. But they take their assets and their property and disclose that to the court. Most of our clients in Chapter 7 actually never go before a judge. But it's a quick, Chapter 7 would be to some extent the equivalent of pulling a Band-Aid off a wound. It may be painful in the short term, but it may be the best thing to do to solve the problem. Chapter 7 is inexpensive, fast, and it works great, especially to get rid of credit card and other unsecured debts.